You hear the latest gist? No, tell me, Jare. The market almost new cow. Chai, one does. Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market? I came back earlier before the fight started.
You need to start using it right now. You need to start leveraging this website right now because it works. Now, I'm already signed in and my balance for credit is 73 balance. I've used this website before. But if you are new to this website, you are going to get at least 100 credits, I think. Yes, that's what you are going to get. You can see the project I have done before using this website. You can see them here. Now I want to click on this so you see what I have done with this website. This, you don't need to buy any credits. I am not those AI creators that will come here and use paid tools and use it to give you something that I've already done with paid tools and then tell you that I did it with free tool. No. Look at this.
You hear the latest gist? No, tell me, Jare. The market almost new cow. Chai, one does.
Do you see now? This is it. Do you see now? Look at this. Do you see that you can be able to get whatever you want here, both women talking and gisting with? This is you.
You hear the latest gist? No, tell me, Jare. The market almost new cow. Chai, one does.
Now, do you see that they were not saying anything relevant because I did not put any dialogue here. I did not put any dialogue here. I only said both of them are gisting. Middle-aged women, the kids are laughing and playing. You see, but if I want to put a dialogue, if I want to really put a dialogue, I can put a dialogue. Now you can see here that you can still even go back and then put a dialogue. Now let us just try and do this again. Okay. Now you want to animate, you are going to come here, you are going to add whatever you want to add to prompts. You are going to come here, add to prompt. Now I don't even know, let me see if I still have that image, but I'm not sure. Let's see what image is here. Okay, this is not what I want. I don't really have, if you have images on your laptop, use the image you have on your laptop. But me, I don't really have much image on my laptop, so I am going to be saving this one. I'm going to be downloading this one. So I want to download this image so that I can use it again and then animate it. Now if you come here, you are going to see image, video. So let me just click on here. Okay, now this is fine.
The latest
gist. Get a video, drag or copy image here, describe your scene. Now you can now come here and change the time frame to 8 seconds, and then you can see now the scale is already in YouTube format, and if you want it to be in TikTok or Facebook format, you can put it here. Now you can see that this is going to take 40 credits by the time you are done. Now you can see here that you can use Sura 2 Grok Imagine 1.5. you can access Grok using this. You can use Seedance 2.0, Sura 2. Do you see the models you can use here? For images, you can look at the models you can use for images here. The models are vast, you can use for images, but note that the one that is having crown on its head is not free. It's going to take more credits, and it's going to really require you to want to, subscribe to their platform. That is just it. You will need to subscribe to their platform. But for this one, I think this one is so now we are dealing with video, so let's see which one is free for video. Now we are going to use Grok here for video, best GBT 2.0. let's change it to this is okay. For video, I can see Grok Imagine here, that is it. So there's another one I'm even seeing here, Happy Horse 1.1, Gemini Omni. Do you see there are so many models here, so you need to be careful. Now you can see that this one, it does not have any crown on its head. It means that you can be able to use this for free. The credit you are going to be using for this is going to be lesser, but for this one now you have to pay. Do you see now? You have to pay. So now that we are here, you can now put in the style, whatever. Since you already have your image, you don't need this.
No.
Then you can come here. I don't know why it's taking me back here, but let's see what. Okay, let me go back again and do this. You are going to come here and then I'm going to come here and then animate. So now I'm going to change this to, this is already in 5 seconds. I don't know why it's changed back to 8. So let's put it back in. It should show me more options for, okay. Note that when you are using this app, it's going to be telling you, it's going to be asking you more questions like what do you want to modify, what do you want to do, what and what and what, you know. It's going to really be giving you a lot of, it's going to be giving you a lot of questions. I want to use Grok Imagine. Now let me animate this. The woman wearing scarf said the woman wearing scarf said. So you put your this your apostrophe, like you want to say mama oh no, Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market? I heard it was I heard there was a fight in the market. So once you are done with that, you can now put in your hyphen back or put in your full stop, and then you are done with that. Then you now come down, and then the woman wearing blue replied, yeah, she's wearing blue. She replied with, so you start with your course and say, I came back earlier before the fight started. Thank God. Okay, I don't need the thank God, so just okay. So now once you do this like this, you just make sure that your dialogue is not much. Then you are going to, this is Grok, and you are going to now send it. Now let's send it and see what is going to bring out for us. Now let's send, and you see that your credit is going to reduce here. So it's on queue, and you obviously you are using the free version, so you need to wait for a very long time for this to come up. And you see here it is processing. Now we're going to come back, and I'm going to pause this screen record and come back once it's done processing.
Mama Joy, now, when did you come back from the market? I came back.
Now you can see that the video is ready, and my script was longer than the seconds. It was 5 seconds instead of 8 seconds. So the other woman wearing scarf did not finish a sentence before the woman wearing blue replied.
Earlier before the
quality. Let me show you the quality of the
fight
started. It's very good. Do you see here now? You can capture current frame, first frame, last frame. You can capture any frame here to get consistent character. That is how you get consistent character and use it to animate another video again and again and again. Just come to this place and just change your email address to another email and start creating more video. If you are looking for free AI tool, subscribe to this channel. You will get free AI tools you can use to animate your video, desktop version, PC version, phone version. You are in the right place. Subscribe to this channel. Do not miss my video notification so that you can be able to learn how to still use these AI tools. I also teach in between how you can get, how to use these AI tools, how to get desired results.
Joy, when did you come back from the market? I came back earlier before the fight started.
Now, do you see now? This is the prompt I used. Do you see? It's showing me everything I used for this.
Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market? I came back.
Now I can come here and then
came back earlier before the fight.
Download this. Download video. So I'm going to download the video and then it should be downloaded already. So once I download the video now, going to see it in. Okay, now it's okay. It's here now. Okay, done. Then let me come here to see. This is an MP4 file. I want you to see the way.
Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market? I came back earlier before the fight started. Mama Joy, when did you come?
Now I want you to see it in a very full frame.
Back from the market. I came back earlier before the fight started. Mama Joy.
Now whatever you want to do, whatever you want to animate should be within the 5 seconds frame. It is very clear. Just like the way it's very clear, just like Grok model works on this platform.
Mama Joy, when did you come back from the market?
It works on this platform very well. Use it and utilize this platform. Use this platform very well before they start upgrading